Ren Siyuan, a Peking opera artist from northeast China's Dalian city, began to livestream her performance on Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, in early 2020, when the outbreak of COVID-19 brought a sudden stop to theater's activities. During the past 2 years, Ren has staged over 180 live streaming shows of Peking operas, attracting over 200,000 followers. Unlike most Peking opera actress, Ren plays the Jing roles, also known as the painted face male roles. This type of role entails rough or mighty male characters which require strong voice.
在直播间，我除了演唱京剧唱段，还会给大家讲全本的戏以及京剧相关的知识。其实做直播压力也挺大的，有很多人认为国粹不应该走下舞台。但是当我看到有很多年轻人00后、90后都通过抖音直播对京剧产生了兴趣，非常喜欢京剧，那我就坚信一点，只要能服务给爱听戏的观众，抖落出自己，抖落出京剧，那直播间就是一个好舞台。